Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Physics Fusion SL Aurora problem solving series. So today we will solve some numericals from your chapter electric field. So let's do it. So just read the question first. So here the data is given that the deuteron's mass is 3.2 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. And the acceleration due to gravity, that is small g, is equals to 10 meter per second square. And here we have just to calculate the magnitude of electric field which is balanced to the gravitational force field. So let's do it. So the mass of the deuteron is given like 3.2 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. So let's see what is deuteron first. Okay, so as we know, there are three isotopes of hydrogen atom. So first one is protium, second one is deuterium, and third one is tritium. Okay, so the symbol of protium is 1H1, so symbol of deuterium is 1H2, and the symbol of tritium is 1H3. Okay, so what is isotope? So isotope means a atom having same atomic number but different mass number. Okay, if this is a atom, then we can just symbolize it as A and Z as like this. If this is your mass number, this is your atomic number. Okay, so you just further read it in your nuclear physics chapter, but here is the some idea about isotope. So as we can see here, the protium atom, deuterium atom and tritium atom, it has same atomic number, that is 1 1 1, but different mass number, that is 1 2 and 3. Okay, so we just call these are the isotopes of hydrogen atom. But the thing is deuteron. So what is deuteron then? So if we consider deuterium atom, it is a deuterium atom, then it is the nucleus of the deuterium atom, then this nucleus is called deuteron. Okay, so deuteron which has, so deuterium atom which has symbol 1s2, so deuterium which has 1 neutron and 1 proton. As you can see its symbol, then it has 1 neutron, like neutron number we can calculate, n is equals to 2 minus 1, that is 1, and 1 proton and 1 electron also. So and it has charge is as similar as proton and electron, like 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, but it's positive. Okay, it's positive. So this is all about your deuteron atom. So now just come back to our question. So if we consider it is a deuteron atom which is situated in a space. Okay, so the gravitational force is acting downward, that is mg, and the electrostatic force is acting towards upward. Why upward? To balance this gravitational force. Okay, that is F is equals to E into E. As we can previously just read this, E is equals to F by E, because as we know electric field is electric field formula, that is force upon charge. Okay, so here the charge is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 9 coulomb. So according to this formula we just balance these two forces here. Okay, like E into capital E is equals to M into G. Here the gravitational force is balance the electrostatic force. So if we just place the charge particle in space, then due to the electric field the force is exerted on it, which is upward, and due to the gravity the force is acting downward, that is mg. To balance it we can just find out the electric field E. As we can know the formula E equals to F by E, so from this we just equal the forces, that is electrostatic forces and gravitational forces. By this formula we just got our electric field value. So that implies, as we know, the value of charge is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb is equal into E is equals to the value of M is 3.2 into 10 to the power minus 27 into the value of G is 10. Then that implies the value of electric field E is 2 into 10 to the power minus 7 Newton per coulomb. Okay. So now let's solve the next question. Just see the question and the given data here. So the mass of the particle is 10 to the power minus 3 kg and the charge is 5 microcoulomb, which is thrown at a speed of 20 meter per second against a uniform electric field of strength 2 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per coulomb. And here we have to calculate the distance before it coming to the rest. Okay. So just first let's draw the figure first. So here is the, let's consider this is our electric field E. Here is our particle that is having mass 10 to the power minus 3 kg. Okay, so here the question says that the electric field is in this direction. Let's we consider the electric field is in this direction, but we just thrown that particle at a speed of 20 meter per second against the electric field. That means if the electric field is in this direction, we just thrown that particle in opposite to the electric field, that is in this direction. Okay, so we just thrown it in the opposite of the electric field. So let's write the given data here. That is given to us the particle's mass, that is M is equal to 10 to the power minus 3 kg. The charge of the particle, that is Q is equal to 5 microcoulomb. Here we have to convert the microcoulomb into coulomb. So 5 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb. And the initial speed is 20 meter per second, that is U is equal to 20 meter per second. And the strength of the electric field, that is E is equals to 2 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per coulomb. So now we have to calculate that distance. Okay, that distance, so that the before it coming to the rest. Okay, so you have to calculate it that distance. So to calculate the distance S, so first we have to calculate the force, that is electrostatic force. So let's first calculate the electrostatic force. So F is equals to Q into E. That is the value of Q is 5 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb into the value of electric field is 2 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per coulomb. If we solve it, then we just got 1 Newton force. Okay, so you can solve it easily. So next we just calculate the electrostatic force. So in the figure we can see, if we just throw that particle into the opposite to the electric field, then a acceleration is also developed in that particle, so which is negative because it is opposite to the electric field. The force which is just exerted in this particle, and the acceleration is also negative. So then further we just calculate the acceleration first. So acceleration A is equals to minus F by A. This minus sign is due to the opposite to the electric field that we thrown. Okay, so force is 1 divided by the mass is 10 to the power minus 3 kg minus then the acceleration is minus 10 to the power minus 3 kg. Okay, so as we all know the distance formula, here I just put one formula to find out the value of S. So the formula is v square minus u square is equals to 2as. That implies, as we know, the final velocity of the particle is 0 because it comes to the rest point. So 0 square minus the initial velocity of the particle is 20, that is 20 whole square is equals to 2 into the acceleration that we got is minus 10 to the power minus 3 into S we have to calculate. Okay, so that is 400 is equals to 2 into minus 10 to the power minus 3 into S. That implies S is equals to 0.2 meter. If we calculate the whole of the thing, then we just got the answer this. Okay.